Watermelon, a member of the Cucurbitaceae family, is a mineralizing, alkalizing, and cleansing fruit with various health benefits. Characterized by its round or elliptical shape, light to dark green color, and red flesh, watermelons are composed of 92% water and are rich in essential vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, C, folate and beta-carotene, and minerals, zinc, iron, copper, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. Loaded with antioxidants like lycopene and citrulline, watermelon juice provides several health benefits. It acts as a natural Viagra by relaxing blood vessels and boosting energy levels. The amino acid citrulline, found in the white skin, along with vitamin C, helps eliminate kidney stones, detoxify kidneys and bladder, and combat inflammation. Watermelon juice serves as a diuretic, treating urinary tract infections, relieving PMS-related bloating, and addressing water retention. Lycopene in watermelon reduces oxidative stress and inflammation associated with asthma and allergies, while boosting immune responses. Additionally, the juice acts as a detoxifier, accelerating metabolism and eliminating toxins. With antioxidants, lycopene, and essential nutrients, watermelon juice reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Lycopene's role in thinning blood vessel walls lowers the risk of myocardial infarction, and prevention of LDL oxidation guards against atherosclerosis, ischemic strokes, and heart attacks. The low-calorie, high-water, and fiber content of watermelon contribute to satiety, toxin elimination, and weight loss. Watermelon juice benefits eye health due to its beta-carotene content, preventing age-related macular degeneration, night blindness, retinal degeneration, and cataracts. The juice's mineral composition replenishes electrolytes lost during exercise, addressing symptoms like muscle weakness, twitches, spasms, joint pain, numbness, fatigue, heart palpitations, insomnia, and headaches. Purgative effects of watermelon juice improve regularity, fight inflammation, treat acid reflux, acidity, and regulate pH levels, making it effective for constipation. It lowers C-reactive protein, CRP, levels linked to inflammation in heart disease and arthritis, and beta-cryptoxanthin alleviates symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Watermelon's alkalizing nature neutralizes acidity, preventing chronic infections like cancer, and protects against parasites, harmful yeasts, fungi, viruses, and bacteria. While beneficial, excess consumption may have adverse effects. 1. Keep watermelon fresh by wrapping it in cling wrap and refrigerating. 2. Wash watermelons before consumption. 3. Utilize both flesh and seeds when juicing for 95% nutritional benefits. 4. Consume watermelon juice in the evening for improved sleep and in the morning on an empty stomach. 5. Incorporate watermelon into fruit salads, juices, or consume it raw for a diverse experience.